Seth Robbins here with the Hamilton Realty Group and eXp Realty. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm proud to bring you my newest listing. We are located in the beautiful community of South Harbor Village, right off of Oak Island at 4251 Anderson Drive. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhome. If you can see behind me, it's located on the par 3 golf course of the town of Oak Island. If you guys are looking for a low maintenance property, this is a great opportunity. It's all on one level. The owner has done a lot of upgrades. It's got granite countertops, hardwood floors, all new appliances, and the location can't be beat. So why don't we take a quick look around, and I'll be with you guys in a few minutes. Hey everyone, Seth Robbins here again. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. We are at 4251 Anderson Drive in the beautiful community of South Harbor Village. Beautiful area just to bike. It's got a short walk or bike ride down to the South Harbor Marina. It's got a public boat ramp just about a mile from here. It's got some beautiful parks. And again, it's low maintenance. It's a townhome and has a 2-car garage. So love for you guys to take a tour. Give us a call, check us out on the web, and we'd love to show you this property. Thank you so much.